In this tutorial, we will create a double convex lens shape using Python library Matplotlib. So, at first we have to import the necessary libraries. We will import matplotlib.pyplot as plt and matplotlib.patches as patches. Next, we will create a figure and the axis using the command figure, x equal to plt dot subplots, and we will set the uh, limits for x and y as -5 to 5. uh, then we'll keep the aspect ratio equal by setting the command x dot set aspect equal, and we'll turn off the axis. So next we'll define the parameters for arc two arcs, arc A and arc B, which will represent the curved surfaces. So we'll these are the parameters: center, radius, angle, theta 1, width, uh, height. These are the parameters for these two arcs. Then we create two arcs, one red arc, one red arc, and another blue arc. So uh, next we'll add the arc patch to the plot by using the command add dot add patch arc A and add patch arc B. Then finally we will display by using plt dot show. So let us see how this looks like. So you can see that this red arc and the blue arc, these two constitute our double convex lens. You can change the height and the width, these parameters, and you can change the shape of the lens. So this much for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.